Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 12th of January 2021. So this morning I did a video on technology and energy, right? So I explained about the strategy, how I will play the tech stock and how I play the energy stock. In the evening session I will not repeat because first today I took the vaccine, this Pfizer booster. My first dose was AZ, second dose AZ, third dose the doctor say better take Pfizer, so I went to take the Pfizer. So now a bit tired after the morning. In the afternoon still okay, but now starting to slightly feeling a bit uneasy. So this video I will cut short a bit and also those tech and oil, right, I talk about in the afternoon. I will not repeat over here. So please check out the afternoon video for the technology. How is my strategy? This one morning update. How's my strategy with energy stock? Okay, basically touch and go Basically touch and go. And how the strategy for energy? Technology stock means a semiconductor stock Also, I not only talk about the stock talk about the overall strategy, how I'm going to play it. So you want to know how I would planning to play this technology, energy stock. Look at the morning update. So this evening video, I will make it a bit shorter so I can have some rest. Okay, let's check out the introduction first, disclaimer before we check out the market. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. So the morning video very short so just take a peek at the morning video about my sentiment on tech and energy. So in the evening, actually what we saw was the growth is not really on oil. Oil did grow, right? But really today really got impact one, really got energy one is what? Steel. Okay, steel is the one, metal is the one that got energy. Later we talk about that shortly So today I will not cover not too much news also so I'm going to cover news today. A bit tired. So today KLCI dropped 1 point, 0.07015663. So still okay. Singapore up 0.26. Hong Kong up 2.7, not bad. South Korea up 1.5%. Japan up 1.9. So Asia rebound. Thailand up 0.63. Philippines up 1.827. China up 1. China FTSE up 1.068. China SSE up 0.841. New Zealand down 0. China SSE up 1.391. Indonesia up 0.66. Australia up 0.66. Indonesia dropped 0.014. New Zealand dropped 0.212. Taiwan up 0.477. Nifty India up 0.8. So Asia today basically all rebound except Indonesia and New Zealand. And look at Europe rebound, FTSE 0.759, DAX also rebound, Germany 0.580, Dow Jones rebound 0, US Dow Jones 0.508, NYSE rebound 1.022, and S&P rebound 0.916, and Nasdaq rebound 1.410. Actually, what happened was this Jerome Powell, right, the US Fed, right, came and actually give a softer what you say that not a very aggressive speech So the market a bit calm down already. So he's saying that he will only increase the frequency of more interest rate hike, right? Only necessary, only when required. So market calm down. He tried to calm down the market after the big drop, right? So he calmed down the market. So basically tech stock, as I talked in the afternoon, the strategy, look at the chart. Okay, the chart continue to drop, we run. If the chart break out, okay, we let go first, let it drop, we buy again, or let it break out first, then only we buy again. Look at the morning one, look at the morning video. Morning video, I explained quite clear how to play this one. Crude palm oil continue to be strong, 5,347. Brent oil 83.74. So crude oil above 80 already. You see, I said crude oil 80, right, is possible, is a chance to play, right? So you see, as just right when the crude oil went above 80, straight away the oil stock oil went up, right? That's why this one is the 80 is a what they call it, is the benchmark, is a benchmark of a good oil growth, or oil is going down, something like that, is a level that people looking at. So gold is 1585, and gold is still hopping around the 1008. 22 silver also 22.73, not very strong. Okay, so let's check out the KLCI. So KLCI nothing much today, dodgy, nothing happened, nothing went up, come back down. So today is a no direction, but KLCI still strong, still is an uptrend, still okay. The uptrend is still intact. Look at the index today. Index sentiment is 59, not bad. Gainers 569, down losers 8389, so not bad. Volume also okay, so 3366 billion, 3.366 billion. So drop 1.09.1563. So market still okay, supported, not bad a lot of green. Consumer up 0.3, industry up 0.89, construction up 0.23, technology rebound a bit 0.60, finance definitely go down today, everyone take profit. Also finance, also talk about the finance, how the strategy, okay, the morning video, basically finance, we want to, when it drop, we want to pick more, we want to add, property 0.2 up, plantation down 0.42, RET up 0.19, energy today also quite a bit up 1.69. So look at the morning video. Morning I talk about energy, healthcare not moving anything, 0.07. Telecommunication continue to drop, 5G not working out. Transportation, as I said, transportation also I might want to look at this, because transportation probably is one of the stock that can start to recover, 0.83 up, utility 0.37. Okay, so as I said, palm oil, energy, short-term play, touch and go. And now today we want to see this one actually. So morning video, don't forget, check out the morning video. Also, want to buy me coffee, go to coffee.com. So okay, today we want to look at steel. I will bypass the news, not too much news coming out today, so I bypass the news. So China steel price not going up very high yet. This one, China industry metal, Shanghai industry metal at bottom here, looking at some rebound, but still not very strong. Okay, still not very strong. Still RSI below 50. We see small rebound, but not very strong. We see the hidden divergence. This is what people call hidden divergence, right? Is it hidden divergence? You call it? No, this is normal divergence, not hidden divergence. Okay, hidden divergence is something else. Okay, so you see divergence over here. Most probably this one will pop up. Because you see price is making lower low, right? A bit lower low, but RSI is making higher low. This one is a bullish divergence, means most likely the price continue to go up. So there is something, there's short-term play over here towards 7439. But we look at the most important index. My most important index for this steel is this one. My steel, you see steel and metal products index, right? You see this one pump up, right? You see this one, that's why I said this one more important. You see this one starting to pump up, right? After the sideways, it broke out, the sideways action starting to go up. You see Malaysia still starting to go up today, right? So as I said, I always say this one is the more accurate one. This one is the more accurate. That's why I always follow this one. So today we have still have the pump. So we just we go to the steel, look at the metal, how to play. ANNJOO big pump today. As I said initially, I said possible opportunity to run, but now maybe we can try to pick some bottom. Means pick bottom pick bottom. Pick some and park. I think this one maybe still got a gap up. Maybe can come to here. These two. I don't think it can go very far. So this one I also think it's a touch and go. Touch and go. Just like the metal, just like the just like the oil touch and go. Most probably we are looking at this one 8%, possible 20%, 8%, 20%, 8 to 20%. Very fast this one. Also, ANNJOO maybe can try, if tomorrow morning drop a bit even better. This one I think can try pick some bottom. Stop loss will be here. I will not play too big because this one touch and go only. I will not play too big. Most of my bullet, as I said, I will put in the more on the recovery stock, bank, all those consumer recovery stock, and possible industry So this one also, but RSI also went through 50, also got volume. I think this one got a short term push. I think got a short term push but I will not play very big. Little bit, pick some bottom, try out Masteel also got some rebound, pick some bottom. Masteel got a lot of resistance here, got big resistance here. Let me see, Masteel. Masteel big resistance is here. 40 cents. Also 10% play maybe can. Masteel stop loss will be here. Stop loss will be here, below here. So we are taking very little risk. Also it dropped below here, but 10% also. So it dropped 10%, you have to run. So this one maybe can pick some. Maybe can pick some bottom. Light industry. Okay, light industry also broke through this low over here. Okay, this one also maybe can pick some. There is a resistance here and here. Here and here. 0.67 and 0.72 these two don't need to look so far. LBALUM start to go up also because of the aluminum price go up. But you buy LBALUM, right? Better buy better play P metal MSC start to go up again, or already broke through. This one maybe can pick a little bit also. MSC can pick a little bit. Stop loss will be here. Play a little bit this one play a little bit short term for me. I see for now it's short term only it's not long term touch and go KESM a bit high already. This one I will not go. Haptech a bit okay touch and go a little bit here. Your target would be around here 0.54 and 0.61 this one will be target 4% and 17%, 18%. Micron not yet Micron I haven't seen the breakthrough yet. Micron is still quite weak. Micron is still weak. E-metal is still weak. Steel is still quite weak. Dashin KO already. Last time we say here had to cut loss already. Or break even we have to out already. Dashin. Jubin also not too strong. Aztec also not too strong. PMB also haven't breakthrough. So these are the few that can play. Highlight it. LB Aluminium. I will play P metal than LB Aluminium Micron cannot. E metal cannot. So these are the okay one. Play a bit maybe can but I will not play too big I will not play too big bottom This is not momentum breakout as I said. This is not momentum, means the price really go up strong, the rest go up again. So this is a price really coming down quite for some time. Maybe the price already reached the low, maybe want to come out because of this index because this index we have to monitor this index very closely this one Steel index. Steel index looks like got one more, maybe a few more days to play only because you see here is another resistance, and also it will meet this resistance over here also. This resistance this resistance over here. Is this here? No, here. Yeah, it should be here. So if you have a few more days, you have some resistance. Play a bit I will not be going very big on this one on this still for now because this one also overbought, looks like you want to correct some more. Okay, so that's it for today. Play small only. Initially I think it should be just opportunity to run, but now looks like it got some steam, some momentum, some short-term momentum going out, short-term only. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.